Alright, welcome to our brand new series. It's one of the most important things on the internet. The question is, will it wheelie? Episode 1, the Kawasaki e-1. Kawasaki actually said you'll struggle to wheelie that, which I see as a challenge. So, e-1, will it wheelie? I bet it does. Yes, is the answer. The e-1 does wheelie. The wind's not helping, but I'm calling that a wheelie. It might not be a mile-long butte. That is definitely the front wheel in the air by judgment, not luck. Yes, is the answer. It does. Only just. It's a close run thing. The Kawasaki e-1. Will it wheelie? Yes, it will. Stay tuned for the next episode.